So Anna is a painter and she charges $130 for paint supplies. So she's charging and she's the one working. So we're looking at this problem through her perspective. So she makes $130 right at the start. And then after that, we add $25 for each hour each. So she's getting paid $25 per hour, and the way we represent that is to take $25 and multiply that by the hours she's working. If we add all of this up, we'll know how much she made. So her salary should be $130 plus 25H. Again, 25H means $25 times the amount of hours she's working. We can also write that in the other order with 25H plus 130 using the commutative property. The only choice here that makes sense really is choice B, $130 plus $25 per hour. So what do these other equations represent? In the first one, we have 130 plus $25, or 25 something. And following the order of operations, we add up those two first. 130 plus 25 is 155. And these parentheses right here tell us we're multiplying this amount by the hours. So it's 155H, which means she would be making $155 an hour, but that's not what she's making. This problem here looks similar at first glance to this, but is very different. It's telling us we have $25 exactly. So perhaps she charges $25 to begin with, and then we're adding $130 for every hour. So this would be the equation if she was making $130 an hour, but she's not. In this equation here, we can almost get rid of these parentheses in a way and just think of it as 130 plus 25 plus H. This would represent 155, if I add these two up, plus the hours, which is also kind of saying that if you just see a variable like H, that represents 1 times H. Why? Because 1 times anything gives you back that same result. So let's say you had 1 times 11. Well, that's 11. So whatever H is, 1 times H won't change it. So we can think of this right here as $1 for every hour. So this equation is saying she charges $155 and then gets $1 for every hour she works, which is not what she's doing.